One of the reasons FastTrack is so attractive is we see CPP students, candidates get started, and then it's a slow process to get to the final certification. So this is an opportunity to do this very quickly and to not procrastinate.
What do you learn? Why are you doing this? Well, you could talk about how much money you're going to make your company. That's definitely there. But the truth is that most people who went and got an MBA or work in business never studied pricing formally. Pricing is a discipline. You need to think not just in terms of did I do my market research and set my price, but the important question of price discrimination. Most profits at most competitive companies are made because they do price discrimination well. Done well, it improves human welfare, reduces misery, increases profitability, and enables you to serve more customers. John Rawls would say it is just, and we help you get your justice and your money. We look at psychology and how psychology impacts the perception of price and the willingness to pay. We look at promotions in consumer markets. We look at discounts in B2B markets. We look at rebates going on elsewhere.
Now, get it done in 1 week. Don't wait, right?
Don't wait.
Why would you not do that in 1 week?
Why would you not wait another quarter before your company makes money?
Right.